Hi everybody, Dr. Heath McKinley here. You're probably reading our blog about immunity or kids and chiropractic. I want to share with you one of my favorite teas that I use for our kids or suggest to patients in our practice. Particularly if you have someone that, if your child has a cough. A lot of times coughs sound scary and people are rushing off to medications way sooner than they need to. The cough just takes time. Usually 5 to 7 days. If it's taken 7 to 10, the immune system is just probably a little weak and it needs some work. More than 10 days, and that's a problem. So the teas I like to use for kids, and I use them at room temperature, and even if they don't like them, I still want my kid to use it. Lemon, like a lot of lemon juice. So I'll just use a little bit of water, a lot of lemon juice. I buy a bag of cayenne pepper about once a year from Whole Foods, $1.36. And it lasts me ages. Put a pinch, just a pinch, let me be clear on that, a pinch, not a spoonful, just a pinch in the tea, mix it up. Sometimes I'll add ginger and a lot of raw honey, a big spoonful of raw honey. So again, lemon juice, ginger, the cayenne pepper, raw honey. As far as the tea base, chamomile, jasmine, a lemon-based tea, English breakfast tea. Those are all fine, but usually room temperature. Kids don't like hot teas. And then you mix it up. If they use the cayenne pepper, it's good to get your kids, once they're, 4, 5, 6 years old, used to some spicier foods. We got to eliminate the whole kids menu in America. I'm sort of disgusted by that. When kids only eat chicken nuggets and hamburgers and hot dogs. Got to get them exposed to different herbs and spices, but if you do have the pinch of cayenne pepper, they'll probably notice a little bit of tingle on their lips. Good, they need to get used to that. It's a healthy food, and it helps that cough, especially as it goes away, you get that dry cough. Kids have a hard time, in layman term, when you hock something up as an adult, kids can't do that, so it's frustrating for them. It sounds scary as a parent, but that tea is really, really helpful. If you find you're getting a lot of recurrent coughs and all summer or winter long, it just keeps coming back, that probably requires a more efficient consult. And if your pediatrician is only suggesting antibiotics or some medicine all the time, then give us a call. We'd be glad to sit down with you and see what natural remedies we have. We've been doing this for 20 years in Chicago. Be glad to help. Thanks a lot.